There are various options for cap fastening synthetic underlayments and house wrap. The only problem is that manual cap nails take a lot of time, and most pneumatic cap tools are bulky and need to be reloaded frequently. Weighing only 4.9 pounds and featuring an ergonomic design, the second-generation Stinger CN100B is a lightweight and durable pneumatic cap nailer. Capable of holding 200 caps and 200 nails and firing 5 cap nails per second, the CN100B maximizes your time between reloads and increases job site productivity. The versatile tool features a bump fire setting for rapid installation, a 360-degree tool-free exhaust, and a tool-free depth of drive adjustment, all to help you secure underlayment and house wrap efficiently. Use Stinger Nail Pack, which includes 10 reels of caps and 10 coils of nails with the CN100B. Stinger cap fasteners are ASTM tested and can withstand 150 mile-per-hour hurricane force winds for 60 minutes and provide superior UV performance versus other cap fasteners. Reloading the CN100B is simple. Disconnect the air. Add a new cap reel and feed it through the chute. Add a new nail coil and insert the lead nail into the nose. Connect your air source, and that's it. Reloading in less than 30 seconds. Easy to use, fast, durable, and versatile. The innovative CN100B is the best practice in securing underlayment and house wrap. Contact us to find your local dealer or to learn more about the CN100B.